Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So come with me, let's make this Mother's Day wrapper cake. All right, so I baked this cake with a rectangular cake pan, which is the size is 13 by 8. Okay, all right. So I sandwich both cakes with buttercream, and then I'm now trimming the wrapper cake effect. So make a deep U cut like you see me doing in the video. So when I'm done trimming the sides, so I had to remove the sharp edges on the cake. You make it curved so that it will look like a real wrapper, right? That's what I'm doing now. Remove the sharpness of the edges, curve it so that it will look like a true African wrapper. So this is how you do it. Just use your knife and then trim out all the sharpness at the edges of the cake. All right, so this is exactly what I'm doing here.
Every
If you have watched this video to this level, please, can you subscribe? Can you like this video and can you share it? It means a whole lot to me. Thank you.
His name. All my troubles, them go fade away. I be dancing, I be shouting grace, 'cause your power, it declare my way. Oh, Lua, you too good, oh. Every day you show me love, oh. From the darkness you carry me go. Now I shine, now I glow. His name. All my troubles, them go fade away. I be dancing, I be shouting grace, 'cause your power, it declare my way. Oh, Lua, you too good, oh. Every day you show me love, oh. From the darkness you carry me go. Now I shine, now I glow. His name.